Are you interested in a career in manufacturing or engineering? Whether you're looking to return to education or you're currently working and looking to upskill, Laois and LOETB have a number of full-time and part-time education and training options available to you. Here you will see our courses in manufacturing and engineering, arranged by certification level. Each course title and code is followed by a list of the LOETB further education and training centres where the course is offered. The key in the bottom right will show you if a course is full-time or part-time. Some courses may be delivered online or via blended learning, which is a combination of face-to-face and online classes. Some centres may have specific entry requirements. Please see the asterisk symbol. You may benefit from an introductory course to develop your skills and knowledge in this area before progressing to more advanced training. Or you can apply directly for a Level 5 course if you meet the entry requirements, and your relevant work or life experience will be taken into consideration. Following your course, you may decide to work and continue to upskill with LOETB's range of industry-relevant modules. Many of our graduates have progressed to higher education in institutes of technology and universities. The LOETB Adult Guidance Service is available to provide you with one-to-one support in choosing the correct course for you based on your education and career goals. Further information on any of the content included in this video, or to make an appointment to speak to one of our guidance team, please contact the LOETB Adult Guidance Service. For specific information on any of the courses mentioned, you can also contact the further education and training centres directly. To keep up to date on upcoming courses, why not follow LOETB on our social media platforms?